Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make lines in MS Word in a very easy way. So first of all, you have to go to insert and then you have to insert a table. Now you have to increase its size from the margin. Now from the left margin, you're going to move it upwards. Now go to a table and you have to increase its border. Now you have to increase its PT. Now you can change its color. Select it and change its color to black. Select it. Now click on this option, add below. As you can see, the entire page is filled with lines. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna select all of these. Now you're gonna increase their height. Select all of them and write the topic that you want to enter. From here, you can change the alignment. And that's it. Select all of it. Now go to PT and border option. Now change its color. Select all of it again and change its border. And now change its color to red. Now change its PT. And that's it. Select all of it. Increase its height. And that's all for today. You can add text if you want. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Let's